Hello, it's Marish. I got a request for number 86 and 87 on that 111 balancing packet. So here we go. These are kind of crazy looking, so let's do them now. First to start, just take a stock of what we have. We have calcium split up, so I'm probably going to hold off till the end there. I have hydrogen also split up over here, which means I should hold off on that as well, at least until other things are balanced. So let's start with something easy, easy-ish. Fluorine. Right here I have 2, so we'll put a 2 there. We also have phosphorus. We have 6 here. And over here we have 2. If you notice, phosphate turns into something different. It does change, so we're going to treat phosphorus like it's its own thing right now. It's still PO4, but this has the H2 attached, so that makes it a little different. So this PO4 has 2 of them, so I'm going to put a 3 in front to make 6. And now I'm going to take stock of calcium, or not calcium, sorry, hydrogen. Hydrogen here. No, hear that? Oh, that's a weird line. 3 times 2 is 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 2. So we have 14 total hydrogens. Over here, I only have 2, so I need to have 14. I'll multiply it by 7. Multiplying that by 7 also multiplies sulfur by 7, so I'm going to do that here, put a 7. And by doing that, it gives us 7 and 3. 10 calciums. So there you go. 10 calciums on both sides, 14 hydrogens, 7 sulfates. We're good to go. Next, and in the computer you'd put a 1 there. Next we have this other one, kind of the same thing, just as confusing, but we're going to start here. We have the same amount of phosphorus on both, 2 and 2. We have this different calciums and different hydrogens. Sulfate right now is fine, but we only have 2 hydrogens here, and here I have 4, so this must be multiplied by 2. Multiplying that by 2 multiplies sulfate by 2, so I have to come over here and put a 2. That now gives us 2 and 1, so we're at 3. Phosphates are still good, so that would be it. Actually, that one is much easier than I thought it would be. 1, 2, 2, 1. Hope that helps. Keep it up. Talk to you later.